Remove the paper cassette. Remove the toner cartridge. Keep it in a dark place, the light may damage it. Remove the left side cover. With a flat blade screwdriver, release 2 tabs in the back of the printer. Slide the cover forward to remove it. Remove the other side cover. The tabs could be in different positions, it depends on the printer model. On the P2015, the retaining tabs are at the front of the cover. Once these tabs are released, the cover comes off easily. Remove 4 screws, 2 on each side. On the front of the printer, pull down the green lever. Remove the back cover. Remove 2 screws in the back of the printer. Remove the other 2 screws near the front. Note that the position of the front screws differs on the different printer models. Lift the cover off the printer. Remove the control panel cable, and remove the top cover. This is the main board. To remove the main board, release the connectors. Details of removing may vary. Take care with the flat cables, which are easily damaged. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the fan. Unlock the fan clip. Lift the fan off the printer. In the P2015, remove the duplex driver gears assembly. Remove the 3 screws. This is the duplex version. Very carefully, lift the gear assembly away from the printer. The gears are loose in the assembly, and can fall out. In case the gears do fall out of the assembly, this is the position of the gears. Remove these two plastic gears, by spreading the release tab slightly away from the shafts, and then pulling the gears off. Remove these 3 screws. On the other side, remove the other screws. Disconnect the cables of the fuser unit. Unthread all these cables from the cable guides. Remove this screw. Details may vary from printer to printer. Slide the guide to remove the fuser cover. In the P2015, the cable guide is a single piece. Slide the fuser unit off the printer. Pull the fuser out of the printer at an angle, so that the delivery roller shaft clears the hole in the chassis. Unplug the other fuser cables. Remove the fuser unit. This is a paper path sensor. To remove the scanner unit, unplug its connectors. Then, remove the screws. To remove the pickup roller, pull the white tabs outward, then rotate the tabs up. Remove the left end cap. Slide the right tab to the right. Remove the pickup roller. To remove the transfer roller, press on its 2 tabs, then lift it up. Slide the roller to the left, then remove it. Reinstall all the cables of the fuser. Reinset the fuser unit in its position. Reinstall the fuser cover, with the screw. Plug all the fuser cables. This is the position of the cables. Reinstall the 3 screws. Reinsert the other 3 screws. Be careful about location when reinstalling the screws. There are extra holes in that side, where other things have been removed, and it is easy to put screws in the wrong holes. Reinsert this gear. Install the other gear. Insert the gear assembly, with the screws. Reinstall the fan. Rehook the fan clip first, to hold the fan in position. Reinstall the motherboard. Make sure to observe ESD precautions when handling the formatter. Insert the top cover cable. Install the top cover. Insert its 4 screws. Reinstall the back cover. Insert the 4 screws. Reinstall the side panels. Insert the toner cartridge. Insert the paper cassette. And the work is done.